social media check-in.
KJ on YouTube, what is the current processing time for a lawful permanent resident to receive a work permit?
A lawful permanent resident doesn't need a work permit because you already have your green card, so therefore that is your work permit. 3 questions in a row that made absolutely no sense, but it is what it is. I don't hear you, Jonathan. I don't hear you, Jonathan. I still don't hear you, Jonathan. Still don't hear you, Jonathan. Vanessa wanted to, okay, now I hear you, Jonathan. Now
okay, Sandra on Facebook. A friend of mine has been in the U.S. for over 3 years now and filed for asylum after a year of being here. Now she passed her nursing board exam. It was an NCLEX-RN.
NCLEX.
But it's the nursing board exam.
The NCLEX.
And was hired by an agency. Would her I-450 be approved, being that she filed asylum after 1 year of entering the USA?
The I-485 you're talking about, you meaning an adjustment application getting sponsored as a registered nurse. It doesn't sound like you're eligible to adjust your status here if you came to the United States and then applied for asylum 1 year later.
Kashal near Ruala on YouTube, how long will the motion to change venue take? I'm in Dallas and want to move to NYC.
Months and months and months. You're talking about a removal hearing, I guess, change of venue.
Carolyn on YouTube, I meet the property guidelines this year plus have a house. How many years are needed? Will I be okay?
You meet the poverty guidelines this year, plus you have a house. How many years are needed? I will be okay, is the question.
And it says property guidelines. It doesn't even say poverty.
Poverty guidelines. You own a house. I don't know what you mean by how many years. Are you okay? You need 3 years tax returns to file to be a petitioner, 125% above the poverty level. If you own a house, you can take the 20% of the equity in the house and put it towards the poverty guidelines. That's my answer. Has nothing to do with your question, but that's my answer.
Anna Lee Parker on Facebook, you just mentioned waiting until after 2 years of marriage, 2 years since filing the adjustment before contacting USCIS. Can we do the same with an Adam Walsh Act, or do we definitely have to wait on them for that?
No, you can do the same thing. And I was just saying for that particular caller that she's so close to the 2 year mark already, why force to have an immigration interview and end up with a conditional card that if you wait another 30 days, you'll get a 10-year card and never have to deal with this again. As far as Adam Walsh waiver is concerned, if you're waiting more than a year or 2 years, you should get somebody involved. All right, 2 more.
Dadre Graham, or Dadre and Graham, Facebook. If your fiance is a green card holder and his spouse is out of status, what's the other ways his partner can get a green card?
His sponsor, say it again, who is a green card holder, spouse is out of status?
The fiance is a green card holder and his spouse is out of status.
Get married and file in I-130 and a provisional waiver, go home and come back.
Last one is from Oluwal OK on YouTube. If my priority date is March 16th, 2020, when do you think my I-130 approval and interview will come?
Who's filing for you? Where did you file? Where are you? Thanks for watching. For more Bradshaw Live, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.